The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z Fold 3. Both the leaks so far and our educated guesses match when it comes to the possible launch of the new Z Fold 4. The last two generations of Galaxy Z Fold have arrived in late summer, early fall, with the Z Fold 3 launching in August, and the Galaxy Z Fold 2 arriving in September the year before. We suspect that Samsung would want to steer clear of a possible mid-September launch date to avoid having to compete for attention with the iPhone 14, therefore we'd expect a similar launch date at the end of August or early September for the Z Fold 4, as well. The most recent leak from Ice Universe says that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have a less visible crease, plus the weight is tipped to be just 8.9 ounces. That would be a lot less than the 9.5-ounce Z Fold 3 and closer in weight to the 8.5-ounce iPhone 13 Pro Max. OnLeaks and SmartPre also claim the hinge design has been changed, but that's not clear from these renders. The same sources say that the displays will be 6.2 inches exterior and 7.6 inches interior, just like on the Z Fold 3. Both are expected to retain their 120Hz refresh rates too. The Korean blogging site Naver claimed that Samsung is considering ways to reduce the phone's weight by reworking its hinge and improving the waterproofing and dustproofing. A lighter phone that is less susceptible to water and dust damage sounds ideal to us. Along the same lines, leaker The Galax on Twitter claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will use a single hinge in the center of the handset rather than the two used by the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This would enable a thinner and lighter design while making the Z Fold 4 more durable. According to leaker Ice Universe, the Galaxy Z Fold 4's internal display will have a new aspect ratio that's more square, as opposed to 5:4 for the Z Fold 3. The result is that the panel could be both shorter and wider. A newer leak from IU says this ratio will be 6:5, which is indeed slightly squarer. The outside will apparently remain very narrow and tall, but not quite as tall as before. There's also the case leak that IU provided showing the new shape compared to the same case for the Z Fold 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 won't have a slot to store the S Pen. Leaker Ice Universe has backed this up, saying the Galaxy Z Fold 4 won't have a built-in S Pen. However, he does say the design will be a little smaller and a little thinner, which would be good news. Another rumor claims that the Galaxy Z Fold 4's front display could be changing, with Samsung playing around with its aspect ratio in the Z Fold 4 prototypes. Which version Samsung will pick is uncertain, but another claims there are versions with no difference to the Z Fold 3, ranging to those with a much different shape. As for the inner display, Samsung may be upgrading the current ultra-thin glass UTG material for a better one. This improved material would supposedly be tougher and higher quality, making it better to use with an S Pen stylus even if it's not built in. For all the latest content, be sure to subscribe, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.